Well, I lead the group Neo Energy, working at ICN2, and the work is on energy materials and specifically on nano composites for energy storage applications, batteries, supercaps, hybrid devices. Well, I began in research a long time ago. I'm a chemist. I got my PhD at Georgetown University, PhD in chemistry, so I was solidly formed as a chemist. But then I got deformed into a material scientist. And now I'm working at the Nanoscience Institute. Why? Because I'm interested in energy, and I know that the energy game is played in a nano field. The field, the framework in which we have to develop everything is nano. But in addition to material developments, materials and devices, I think it's important to remark also non-material or human developments. And in this respect, I would like to mention that we were pioneers, if you want, in establishing groups that work in energy materials in Catalonia. Especially energy storage. For instance, when I began working on lithium battery materials, nobody in the whole of Catalonia was working on that. Now that has grown, and several of my students contribute to this effort, energy and materials, and I'm very proud of that. Okay, that's a hard question because every scientist has to be very ambitious and humble at the same time. Very ambitious because you need to want to solve real problems, and humble because you see that your contributions are very little drops in an ocean of knowledge. But I think what we have contributed to is precisely in developing hybrid devices with hybrid materials. That is, if we can get a device that stores energy with the advantages of batteries and those of supercapacitors, we are doing a great jump ahead in charging a multitude, many different devices, not only electric vehicles, but maybe sensors for the Internet of Things. So we are working on a variety of technologies that span different applications, but that have great potential in improving how fast we can charge large amounts of energy. Well, actually, I would say that, well, now it's helping me. Beyond great funding, which is hard to get, I would say that the important things of this network are precisely the intangible things, like, for example, the capability of networking with others and making our group and our research visible.